Imagine waking up feeling like you're on top of the world, ready to tackle anything that comes your way. What if this feeling could be more than just a fleeting moment? What if you could transform your daily routine into a powerhouse of health and vitality with a few superfoods? Today, let's explore how these incredible ingredients can enhance your immune system and make you unstoppable. Our journey starts with berries, tiny gems packed with antioxidants like vitamin C that act as a shield against harmful free radicals, keeping your immune system strong and resilient. Next, we delve into leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and Swiss chard, which are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. These greens support your body's natural defenses and keep you feeling your best. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, serve as secret agents in the superfood world. They are filled with healthy fats, vitamin E, and omega-3s that are essential for a balanced immune system and reducing inflammation. Garlic, a staple in many kitchens, has been used for centuries not only for its flavor but also for its immune-boosting properties. It contains allicin, which has powerful antimicrobial effects. Finally, green tea, with its rich antioxidants called catechins, strengthens your immune system and supports overall health. Sipping on green tea can be a comforting ritual that helps fortify your defenses. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily life can make a significant difference, helping you stay strong and ready for whatever comes your way. Start today, and let these superfoods be the heroes of your health journey.